Thank you for taking a few minutes in your busy day to watch this brief overview of my behavioral approach to systemic change. I spent over 2 decades leading interventions to create healthier schools, workplaces, and communities, and care settings. Like many mums at the pinnacle of my career, in the top 1% of most cited scientists worldwide, I experienced burnout. I benefited from coaching in my burnout recovery, and in the last 4 years, I've created programs to prevent burnout in other ambitious and caring leaders, partnering with coaching experts at the Human Group to deliver tailored solutions. As a leader in your organization who cares about your employees, some of your biggest challenges involve wellness, DEIB, and leadership development. But a key to success in all these areas is employee engagement. So despite everything you're doing, why is quiet quitting so popular? Why are you losing your most innovative and diverse employees to regrettable turnover? Why are your employee benefit programs stalling? And why, when you care so much, do employee surveys say you don't care? One of the biggest challenges to employee engagement is burnout. The COVID-19 pandemic has been cited as the perfect vector for a mental health epidemic. And while burnout manifests in individuals, the US Surgeon General reminds us that it's fundamentally rooted in systems. So to solve for burnout, you need individual, team, and organizational change. But change is only possible if we can create the conditions for psychological safety, leverage emotional intelligence, and operationalize the behaviors that lead to healthy work habits. I can help you understand those behaviors, and as a behavior scientist, my 15-step behavior plan can help you create long-term habits that change the system. So why is burnout at the heart of your company's retention and employment challenges? If you think of burnout as simply poor time and stress management, focusing on the individual, and solutions like taking a vacation, your employees will come back from a vacation more ready than ever to leave. They will see that the source of their stress is the workplace. So an important first step is to understand that burnout has many faces. And for each type of burnout, there are different solutions at the individual, family, team, and organizational level. I've identified 6 burnout profiles, each with unique needs. The good news is public health scientists like myself know more than you realize about burnout prevention. My work follows a multi-level approach recommended by the National Academy of Medicine. With 6 profiles and numerous suggestions at each level, the Human Group and I provide a menu with over 50 different behaviors you can try. So how do you create the workplace conditions for employees to thrive? You have to start with individual and group coaching to create psychological safety and build emotional intelligence to mitigate burnout tendencies. You then have to develop healthy and balanced work habits and stress management practices. And finally, you need the team and organizational conditions for thriving based on flexibility, focus, fairness, and purpose. As you start to change your work culture and make decisions, you can check against these important tenets. But don't let me mislead you. Change at any level is hard, and you need to set yourself up for success before you even start. So how do you create systems change? First, you have to operationalize the daily behaviors and reward the behaviors you want to see, while also empowering role models and champions and creating a system improvement process. One way to set yourself up for success is a learning collaborative, where you get employee input from the outset, you build trust, target key behaviors, and learn together with the support of coaches and facilitators. We have never been through a pandemic or great resignation, so starting small and experimenting is such a logical approach. And in this process, you support each other to learn, adapt, and track the impact of your efforts. So how can we help your organization? We can provide a comprehensive roadmap for how to create a diverse, thriving work environment. We can provide a complete program of training, coaching, and facilitation around psychological safety, emotional intelligence, and burnout prevention to create the conditions for cultural change. We can provide a science-based toolkit and platform for creating systems change through operationalized daily behaviors. And we can provide ongoing processes and evaluation tools to ensure your efforts are having long-term impact on engagement, retention, productivity, well-being, and innovation. I look forward to connecting with you and hearing about your struggles and successes in navigating cultural change. Your story may warrant sharing on my podcast, and I can provide a behavioral case study to help you understand what is working and why. I would also like to learn how we can tailor our approach to your organization's specific needs and priorities. Please message me on LinkedIn so I can send you a calendar invite. Thank you so much for listening in today.